everyone, this is Jess from the Estevan Public Library, and for today's A to Z World Food Series, we are making a Bahamian black bean and corn salad. This nutritious and refreshing dish uses common ingredients found in Bahamian cuisine. For this recipe, you will need some black beans, black-eyed peas, corn, garlic, sweet onion, but I'm just using yellow onion, a red pepper, apple cider vinegar, olive oil, crushed red pepper flakes, sugar, and salt. This recipe also calls for cilantro, but since I'm not a fan of it, we won't be adding it to this dish. Let's get started. First, drain and rinse your cans of corn, beans, and black-eyed peas. Once each item is rinsed thoroughly, place them in a large bowl and set aside. Next, cut and dice 1 sweet onion and 1 red pepper and mince 4 cloves of garlic. Once you're done, add them to your black beans, black-eyed peas, and corn. Next, we'll move on to the salad dressing. Whisk together half a cup of olive oil, 2/3 cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. This recipe also calls for 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, but you can add more or less depending on your taste. Once everything is mixed together, pour it over top of your vegetables and beans and toss together well. Once everything is mixed together, you're ready to serve. Once your dressing is mixed in with the rest of the vegetables, place your salad in the fridge until it's ready to serve. As you can see, this very colorful salad is great for summertime and is a great side dish for chicken or fish. Thank you all so much for joining me on this week's A to Z World Food Series. This recipe took under 10 minutes to make and serves between 8 and 10 people. The written recipe can be found in the video description below. I hope you can all join us for our next installment of A to Z World Food Series, but until then, enjoy.